This is not clickbait, you guys. Betty will be sold very soon.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, guys? It's Rico with BettyBlue_RT. You guys already know. Hey, I'm back again with another video. In this video, it's not gonna be your typical, me just sit here and talk, and then it's gonna be me sitting here and talking, because I did a thing today. As you guys can see, Betty lost her stripes or her claw marks, whatever you want to call them. Monster Energy. I got so many names for that. Betty lost her boat registration. Hey, stay tuned to find out more. As heartbreaking as it is for me to let her go, I told myself I wanted to run 11 seconds. That's what I told myself. NA. It's possible. Stock Scat Packs do it with a great driver. I'm not a great driver by any means, guys. But I'm done with her. She went up for sale, and she got sold very quickly, guys. Very quickly. I'm including everything with the car. I'm not taking anything off of the car. The rims are staying on. Those are OEM. Except for the rears. Those are actually factory reproductions, 20x11s wrapped in 315s. But selling the car as is. Well, guys, it's kind of late, but I mean, it's only right that I actually give you guys one more cold start. Just one more for the road, guys. I honestly don't know what's next, guys. I really don't. Without the car, I really can't make, car content. I have a lot of stuff saved, and I'll probably be posting like old track videos or something like that, and just remembrance of Betty. But her name is going to change. I don't know what the new owner has planned for her. I do know this, guys. He wants to make Betty into a show car. She will no longer be, a drag car. I mean, he said he'll probably take her to the drag strip, when he gets, when he gets used to her and learns how to drive her and everything else like that. He's coming from an RT, and he's going straight into an RT, except for it's 392 swapped. So I mean, he was doing it. He had the same mindset that I did, as a young man. He was like, hey, I want a 392. But I don't want 392 insurance. I don't want a 392 payment. So I gave him a really great deal, guys. A really great deal. And I can't disclose it because I'll probably make somebody mad. I'll probably make a few people mad, actually. I already made a few people mad when I told my family. But yeah, I do wish I would have kept Betty in the family. I'm gonna miss this car. That pretty much sums up this video, guys. I mean, you can like, comment, and please subscribe, hit that share button. There will be more content coming, guys. There will be more content coming. It may be a while. It may not. We'll see. But I don't know what the future holds.
If I was up today, running around, I'm feeling away from everybody know my name. Doing shows in different states, living no complaints. Know them